gidigba like this. And a new Banana Island matter. Now it carry me sit down here. You know why? Because I say, you must follow me testify in the land of New Banana Island. Yes, because by the time you get your own plot for this New Banana Island in any of our estate for just 6 million naira, you go know say the good news, madam, bring good news for you. Wey be say e no go just be for your betterment, but for the future of your children. You get that part? I say for your children's future. That's why I keep hammering that you need a plot, or at least 2, 3, or 5 plots in New Banana Island, in any of our estates in New Banana Island. And in case if you don't know where New Banana Island is, it's just off Peter Odili Road here. E no far. Are you getting me? And make you just call Madam Good News on 0903429651 to get your own plot of New Banana Island, or visit us for our office at Bejowi Plaza number 181 opposite Chicken Republic, Peter Odili Road, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. So anywhere where you hear me from, all you need to do now to call Madam Good News on 0903429651 to collect your own plot, and they wait for you. And until you get your own plot of New Banana Island, I'm not going to stop till they bring this good news for you. So make you quickly carry your phone and make you dial the number and make you call me. Bye.